Stop skimming. Let Zoho read it for you. Most of us miss mistakes because our eyes move faster than our brains can process. In this video, I'm showing you how to use the Read Aloud feature in Zoho Writer. No downloads, no extensions, just pure focus.
How to use the Read Aloud feature in Zoho Writer. You can have your document read aloud by a computer voice in a few simple steps. Open the document you want to be read aloud. Access the Read Aloud feature. Open the left panel and click the Read Aloud option. Alternatively, go to the Tools tab and in the Review group select Read Aloud. You can also right-click and select Read Aloud from the context menu. A Read Aloud bar will appear at the top of the document and the reading will begin automatically from the start. If you only want a specific section read, you can select that text before activating the feature. Controlling the reading. The Read Aloud bar provides several controls for managing the narration. Play, pause, start or temporarily stop the reading. Fast forward, rewind. Fast forward, rewind. Skip to the next or previous sentence. Speed adjustment. Speed adjustment. Use the plus or buttons to increase or decrease the reading speed. The reading will automatically stop if the document content changes or you navigate away from the document view. This feature is useful for proofreading, language learning, or simply listening to content while multitasking.
We often get word blind when looking at our own screens for too long. To fix this, I use the built-in Read Aloud feature. It's not just for accessibility, it's a powerful editing tool. I use this to finalize every video script and review long legal documents. It's my secret for catching awkward phrasing. When you hear your document read by a computer text-to-speech voice, the errors jump out at you in a way they never do on the page. Here's why I use it. When I listen, I catch awkward phrasing, extra words, typos. It's like hearing my draft with objective ears. I also let it play while I reorganize sections. I also let it play while I take notes. That's how I use it to ensure my scripts are ready for you. But I want to hear from you. How do you use TTS in your workflow? Is it for proofreading, or do you use it to read while you're on the move? Share your unique usage in the comments so we can all work a little smarter. Let's keep our documents clean and our focus sharp. See you in the comments.